when we get in at the right times. And listen, guys, it's always great when you do find true top, because you're already trying to get into a put, because say it's a double top or a triple top, and we get in that put, and then it goes all the way down the rest of the day. It's perfect because you were in at the right time. Or let's say this 439.56 was the true bottom. We don't know that yet because it's still trying to work itself out. What if this was the true bottom and you're still in that call and it runs up all day long and you were in that call? Do you see what I mean? You will make more than trying to snipe. It's just
Yes, sir.
already in it and it's already green, and let it work.
Yes,
Going
sir.
high.
Yep. See, like this, I made 2 trades against this one and they both went against me. Instead, I would have loved to have been in a call at 439.56 and still be holding this thing, right? Because it's green no matter what. It'd be a green trade. And now look, see? So I had 2 trades against me instead of one beautiful that would still be working for me. And the 2 trades against me are worth way more to the negative than even if the original trade I entered on 56 came all the way back to flat. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So
Yes, sir.
it's about that risk to reward ratio. Let them work themselves out, even on these little quick scalps. And I know it sucks because we want to collect, right? And I get it because you guys see me do it too a lot of the times. So it's a different style of trade. When I do these little trades, I mean, this thing's $850. I could let this go to 0 50 times today. I mean, I know it would be stupid, but for the size of the trade that I'm doing, I also am looking at how I'm trading it differently. Does that make sense? And the good thing is with it is the whole time you're doing all that is it's beautiful because we're getting to figure out, like, what is it doing? How is it going there? How does it move? You know, where's the next levels? So while we're sitting in these, you're starting to get a feel for all this and how it's working and what it's doing and where it's going, right? All of that stuff. So it's beautiful. See, now I stayed in this trade because it was still heavy and we don't know if 56 was the true bounce. And now I'm up $100. So again, I can collect the money, right? At 150, now it's up 150. I can collect the money on 56, which I'm going to do. Can anybody tell me why I took that money there?
Because it's at the bottom, you can re-enter.
That's correct. Because now if it decides to fold below 56, I'll enter another one. Otherwise, isn't this going to want to bounce back up to VWAP? Right? So I've locked in my profit, which was VWAP to 56.
It's so hard watching those 2 green candles and losing all that money, but then you hold out and that huge red, bam,
Yep.
you're green.
Yeah.
And that sucks.
It does. It does. And it's more about being patient with the trade, right?